Hi, I'm Catherine Michael. I'm an education attorney in Indiana, Michigan, and Texas. And as an education attorney, you can imagine I get a lot of questions. And one of those questions that is frequently asked is, what exactly is this term I hear? The least restrictive environment. What does that mean and why is it important in my child's case? The least restrictive environment is a term that comes from the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, what you've probably heard called IDEA. And it says that to the maximum extent appropriate, children with disabilities should be educated with their non-disabled peers. We look at that term and it helps you understand we're looking at what's appropriate for the child. We need to start with the presumption that all children with disabilities, we want to start with the least restrictive environment, which is that general education classroom. Can they make progress if we provide modifications, accommodations, sometimes even a one-on-one aid? And then we move further down that spectrum where we're going to do some pull-outs. And those pull-outs can be for specialized reading instruction, math instruction, behavioral interventions, to where maybe part of the day is in a resource room if that's appropriate given their specific and individualized needs. The LRE can also, for some children, include a residential placement, a therapeutic day placement, and at the farthest end of the spectrum is a homebound placement where a child does not have access to their peers, and that's considered the most restrictive. If you have questions about your child's placement or concerns, it's important to bring those up at an IEP meeting, to ask staff to understand your concerns and to make sure that they are going to explain this to you as well and their understanding of the law. This session is intended to provide you information to help arm you for those IEP meetings. It's not creating an attorney-client relationship or intended to give you legal advice for your particular situation. As always, though, if you have a lot of questions for me, send them on. If you have ideas, I'm happy to answer those when they come up and when we get a lot of them. And I look forward to talking to you all again soon. Thanks.